To add an instructor as a user to your school account on the Donation Exchange powered by CREF, after logging into your account, select Manage Users, then Invite User. Here you will enter the instructor's information, including name, email address, and the campus location. Then select Save. Once that is done, the instructor will receive an email advising them that they've been invited to the Donation Exchange. From that email, the instructor can click the link, and that will take them to this registration page. The school information will populate, and the instructor can update with their information, including first name, phone number, last name, their title, and then their password. Once that information has been listed, they can check the boxes at the bottom of the screen, including accepting the terms and conditions, select I am not a robot, and register.